Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, it will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Here are its features. The 2-in-1, that's your all-in-one. Instantly transform your Android tablet into a PC desktop experience when you attach the keyboard with built-in trackpad. Power to multitask. Thanks to the speed of the fast mobile processor, rapidly switch between apps and tasks or immerse yourself in graphic-intensive games. Plus, get PC caliber internal RAM. All new S Pen included. Now the included S Pen lets you pause and skip at the press of the button. Plus, you can still mark up papers, sign docs and take notes. The S Pen even attaches magnetically for easy storage and charging. Light on weight. Heavy on entertainment. With a spectacular edge-to-edge Super AMOLED display, superior graphics and quad speakers tuned by AKG, get drawn into immersive games all on a 2-in-1 that only weighs about a pound. Bluetooth V5.0, up to 2 megabits per second. More hours of power. With up to 15 hours on a full charge, you can create and edit all day, plus enjoy continuous browsing and streaming, then quickly recharge the fast-charging battery. A tablet that listens to your commands. With Bixby Voice Assistant at your command, you can look up recipes, skip to the next song, check movies time and more with just your voice, even from across the room, thanks to a far-field mic. Unlock with a touch. Keep more of what's yours. When you are ready to unlock, simply touch the in-display fingerprint scanner and you are in. Capture a wider view. Capture more whether you are capturing an adventure or updating your website with the wide 13MP and ultra-wide 5MP dual camera. Use the 8MP front camera for video chat, collaborate and present. Room for everything. Choose 128GB or 256GB built-in memory for all of yours photos, videos, games and go to apps. When you need more space, expand your storage up to 512GB with a micro SD card. Smartly connected. Control your connected home devices, right from your 2-in-1. Just open your SmartThings app to adjust temperatures, dim or brighten lights and monitor your front when you set up connected devices. Call and text without your phone. Access your phone from your Galaxy Tab S6. Make and take calls or read, respond and scroll through texts. Plus calls and messages are synced so you can pick up right where you left off.